everyone, today I am excited to share some helpful tips for those of you starting out in affiliate marketing. These are special insights that can really help kick started for affiliate marketing journey. So let's get started. First thing first, always promote products that you truly believe in. It's like recommending a good movie to a friend. You wouldn't suggest something you didn't like yourself, right? When you choose products you believe in, your audience can tell you are genuine, and this builds trust. Plus, you will feel good about what you are doing. It's about finding products that are good and give you a fair amount of money when you help sell them. Think of it as finding a balance. The product is good and you also get a fair reward for your effort. Who doesn't love a good discount? When you work with affiliate networks, ask them if they can give you special discount codes for your audience. This way, people who follow your advice can get a little saving, and it makes them more likely to use your links to buy things. When you write or make videos, don't beat around the bush. Get straight to the point and give your audience exactly what they need to know. Think about what you would want to know if you were them. This keeps your content interesting and valuable. One of the best ways to make sales in affiliate marketing is by reviewing products. It's like telling your audience, hey, I tried this. Here's what I think. And it helps them decide if they want to buy it too. Reviews are straightforward and effective. At the end of your content, always tell your audience what to do next. It could be link to buy the product or another video to watch. This is like giving them a little help with what step to make next. The world is always changing, and so are people's interest. Keep an eye out for new trends or products that are getting popular. This can help you find cool new things to promote before everyone else does. Don't just stick to one way of sharing your content. Try different things like writing blog posts, making videos, or even sending emails. This helps you reach more people in different ways. Affiliate marketing keeps changing, and there's always something new to learn. Stay curious and keep updating your skill and knowledge. It's like being a student who never stops learning. These are some key strategies to help you get started in affiliate marketing. Remember, it's a journey, and it's okay to take your time and learn as you go. If you have any question or need more help, just drop a comment below. Keep going and you will do great in your affiliate marketing adventure. Have a nice day.